What's up guys, welcome back to another Tuesday Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get the audio from my computer onto my phone and attach it to the video in Videoleap. A lot of times when you're filming a video, you want to get better audio obviously, and if you have only like a desktop mic or maybe like one of those wireless recorders, you want to attach the audio to the video, and today I'm going to show you how to do that in Videoleap. So you want to first start by getting your video over to your phone or whatever device you're editing on. Like I said before, this is going to be a Videoleap tutorial, so it's definitely just a phone editing app. So if you shot the video with your phone, then you already, just skip this step. Your video is already on your phone. Now you want to get the audio from your computer over to your phone. So if you're using something like a desktop mic, or if you're thinking about buying one, usually they plug in with USB. That's how I have this one plugged in. It also can be plugged in through XLR. That's the Blue YETI Pro. That's the one I'm using, but most of the ones you can get from like Guitar Center or that you buy online that are cheaper are going to just be USB, and that's totally fine. You don't need anything else besides the USB cable, and just plug it right into your computer. You're going to want to use something like Audacity to record your audio. I am a music producer, so I actually already have the program Ableton. That's like a $1,000 program that I use to create music, but I also use it to record my audio as well. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but there's a lot of tutorials out there on Audacity, so I recommend going to check one of those out if you're going to use that. But once you record your audio, you're going to bounce that out, and it's just going to be like an MP3 file or a WAV file, and then you're going to put that on your phone. Once you do that, then you're going to want to link the video and the audio together so that it sounds a lot better like this video. So let's go ahead and show you how you do that in Videoleap. What you're going to want to do is open up the Videoleap app and go ahead and start a new project. Find the video that you have in there, and if you listen to it without the audio attached right now. Phone editing, so if you're doing like Premiere Pro, trying to find overlays, you can still use this technique. So, I mean, it doesn't sound terrible, but it does sound like I'm far away from the camera, and we want to make that sound better. So I recorded the audio separately. So I label everything under YouTube audio, and this one was Two's Toot. So the best way to do this is I try to find, because I start the video first and then I record the audio, like, because the camera's over there, I press record, and then I walk over to my computer and I press record. So you can see in here the audio has already started. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. And what we want to do is make it match up to, let's meet this, to this guy. What's up guys? So we know it starts about here. So I'm just gonna cut this and get that out of here. And then looks like I start talking about right there. So I'm gonna just basically cut this off to the intro because there's no sound there. We can see that. And then, what's up guys, welcome to my, okay, so we want to unmute this so that we can hear both audio from just the audio and from the video, so that we can match it up easier. What's up guys? So it sounds like I can hear the audio from the microphone first, so I'm just gonna scoot that over a little bit. What's up guys? Still a little too early. What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, so when it sounds kind of like that, it's pretty close. You can try to get it even closer if you want. I'm gonna take one of these ears off so I can hear better. What's up guys? Welcome to my... So I feel like that's pretty close. So what I do once I get it like that, to make sure that it matches up, I just leave the line there in the center, and then I cut the audio and I just press the video, and I cut the video so that it's cut the exact same spot right where I want it, so I don't have to do any more like guesswork. And then I cut out the video in the front of that audio. Just when you cut out the video, the audio doesn't stick to it, which I really hate, because if you edited it through a full video of like 10-20 minutes, and you have like text in there and audio, separate audio, different sound effects, when you cut the video will move over, and all the audio and text and things will stay, which is super annoying. Then you have to go through and move everything back. So it's really important to try to get your cuts that you want while you're editing the video before you put all that stuff in there, because it won't match up again. You have to go through and manually move everything over for the amount that you cut out. So yeah, so I cut that right where I wanted, so I can just slide that over to the beginning and it'll sound right on. If I just mute the video, now it should match. Here, let's turn my brightness up a bit, or I guess all the way. Sorry about that guys. So now it should match right up. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put... What's up guys, welcome to my... So yeah, obviously I shoot a couple intros, we all mess up, and you know, then we just cut those things out. But you don't want to work on it while it's like this. So a lot of times I'll kind of get the colors the way I want them by adding in a filter or just messing with like the saturation, the brightness and things, and then I'll bounce that out with the export 30 frames per second, so that's where we want it, 1080p, and you'll go ahead and export that out. I already did this, so I don't need to. So that's actually this one here. So once you export the video and have it out, now you can go ahead and put it back into a new project and start cutting that.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel.
And your audio will be matched up and it'll sound a lot better like this audio now. So yeah, like I said before, I use Ableton. If you have Ableton already, then you can already start recording your audio. And I'm sure if you have Ableton already, then you know how to do this. But if you don't have Ableton, then check out Audacity. I'll leave a link down below. It's a free recording app. It just basically just records audio. I think it records audio from your computer if you want to record it, or if like maybe I think people in college use it as well to like record their classrooms and stuff. I've seen people record their DJ mixes on it as well. It's a free program, so you know there's probably going to be some issues with it, but as long as you get that audio to sound a little bit better, that's all that really matters. So I really hope this video has helped you guys out, and I hope that you can use the information in this video. If this has helped you out, or if I missed something, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And also subscribe to this channel if you're into daily motivational podcast videos. I post Monday through Friday telling stories of my life and trying to just help people out pretty much any way I can. So if that sounds good to you, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.